In this Rock Like the Pros intermediate practice and technique challenge video, this is going to blow you away. This is going to work on slides. We're going to work all the way up the neck, but you're also going to have a really cool lick by the end of this. You know, we couldn't get through a practice and technique challenge without a little slides. That's what we're going to do in this one. But before we get there, this is Rock Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. And I want you to have a chance to win one of two Kala guitars. The first one is a Kala Mini Orchestra. That one's totally free to enter. Click that link below. Go sign up. You'll get all the details. Subscribe right here, Rock Like the Pros. Subscribe to the Kala channel. Super easy. Post at least one video at the Rock Like the Pros forum, and then leave some comments. Smash the like button in this video. So simple in order to have a chance to win a really cool guitar. The second one is for the VIPs. The VIPs, what do they get? Why should I become a VIP? Great question. You get all the PDFs, you get all the tabs, you get all the backtracks, you get access to the private calls with me, and you have a chance to win a Kala Parlor guitar. So click that link below. If you become a VIP, you're going to love it. All right. Are you ready? This one is going to blow you away. Let me play it for you, and then I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. All right. Woo! We're going to slow it down a little bit. Don't worry. But that's the idea right there. That's how we do it. Had to bring out the red Strat for this one because the tone, the feel, this is a beautiful guitar. So if you need a new guitar, a strap, pick, capos, whatever you need for all your guitar needs, check out the #1 store, store.rocklikethepros.com. This is going to be a slidey one. Okay, we're going to go over slides, and as you can see, it's going to work all the way up from the 1st fret all the way up to the 13th fret. So you're going to really cover a lot of ground with this one. It's not super difficult, but it is challenging, but it sounds amazing. All right, we're going to start right here. Now we're going to start on beat 4. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on beat 1 you're going to go. You're going to do this slide with the 3rd finger. You're going to slide. You're just going to pick it once, slide from the 3rd to the 5th fret, and then you're going to hit 5th string, 3rd fret. Now that's an 8th note on beat 1. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2. Now you're going to do the same slide here on the 5th string with the 3rd finger on the 5th fret, 3, and up to the 7th fret, and then you're going to hit the next string down on back. You got to jump back here on this one to the 3rd fret of the 4th string. Then you're going to do the same slide. That is on the 4th string, 5 to 7, and then you're going to hit right there, 3rd string, 5th fret. Then you're going to do a slide from 7 to the 9, and then you're going to go back to the 2nd string, 6th fret. Then you're going to slide from the 8th fret, the 10th fret, 1st string, 8, 3rd finger slide from 10, 12, and then your last note is right there. Okay, so that's a pattern going up. Okay, if we do it real slow, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 3. All right, so that's going up. Just on the slide, just make sure you give it enough pressure that when you can hear that next note. And again, you're only picking the 1st note and then sliding up to it. All right, how cool is that? Come on now. Show me a little love, leave something below because this is cool. I wrote this just for you, by the way. All right, so we just finished up here. And then we're gonna slide it back down now with the 3rd finger. Move it up to the 10th fret. Now you're going to go to the 9th fret, 7th fret, next string, back to the 7th fret of the next string, now 5th fret, and that's beat 4 right there again. Now, let's do this again. Let's slide back up here. So this note right here, this pinky, 13th fret, that's beat 4, and then when you start to slide back, it's on beat 1. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and you end right there. How cool is that? I love this thing. Sounds cool. Great exercise, great technique builder, working on slides and working all over the neck. Are you ready? Let's go ahead now and try it with the backing track. 1, 2, 3. All right, took it easy on you. That was a slow backing track. Just wanted to get you in the mood for it. We're going to do it one more time now. We're going to bump it up to that medium backing track at 120. 1, 2, 3. That's what I'm talking about right there. Slip sliding away. Leave a comment below. How did you do on that one? Challenging, but fun. Hopefully motivating for you. So we did it at 2 tempos, the slow 90 and then the 120 as well. Don't forget the VIPs get all those backing tracks and the tab and everything I said like that. All right. The last step, remember, is you got to post a video of yourself over at the free Rock Like the Pros forum to have a chance to win that Kala mini orchestra guitar. Or if you can become a VIP, you still got to do all the same things, but you have a chance to win the Kala parlor guitar. All right, great job. If you're digging this stuff, if you like this, you're like, I got this, I'm cool, I want more. We're going to have an advanced technique workshop with me and some special guests. We'll put a link below. You can sign up for that now, and then you're going to love that when we have that. So great job. Stick with this. Stick with it. We've got a great video coming up for you next. I'm proud of you, and we'll see you there.